Hey there, everyone. Welcome aboard the amazing Wonder Wing. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling mission to delve into a mind-boggling question that may have you doing mental somersaults. Ever wondered why we don't have gigantic airplanes powered by nuclear reactors, similar to those colossal cruise ships gracefully sailing on the seas? Just picture a plane as immense as a city block, majestically gliding through the clouds like a magnificent chrome bird, never needing to make pit stops for refueling. It almost sounds like a scene straight out of a cartoon, doesn't it? Well, get ready to fasten your seatbelts because we're about to dive deep into the reasons why this spectacular airborne vision hasn't become a reality just yet. First up, let's address the weight issue. Imagine a colossal beach ball. To make it float in the air, you'd have to fill it up with a massive amount of air, right? Now picture inflating a beach ball the size of a school bus. That's pretty much what a gigantic airplane would have to do in order to defy gravity and remain airborne. Nuclear reactors, while impressively powerful and capable of illuminating an entire city, are also incredibly hefty. Trying to fit one inside an airplane would be like attempting to squeeze an entire playground set into your backpack. In the end, the airplane might just resemble a deflated beach ball, sadly stuck on the runway. But wait, there's more. Airplanes not only need to be sturdy but also fuel efficient. Think of it as comparing a marathon runner to a sprinter. Nuclear reactors are akin to marathon runners, excelling in long-haul flights by providing a consistent energy source. However, they aren't particularly adept at short bursts of power needed for takeoff and landing. On the other hand, jet engines act like sprinters, perfect for supplying that initial surge of energy to get an airplane off the ground and safely back down. Trying to use a marathon runner for a sprint? Well, that just wouldn't cut it. Now, let's shift our attention to safety. Nuclear power is undoubtedly remarkable, but even the slightest accident can have significant consequences. Just imagine a plane equipped with a nuclear reactor experiencing severe turbulence or, heaven forbid, a crash landing. The potential for disaster would be an enormous risk to take. We all adore our vacations, but nobody wants a radioactive souvenir. Designing a nuclear-powered airplane would require implementing safety measures comparable to constructing a colossal castle made entirely of bubble wrap. Take a moment to consider the excessive shielding needed to safeguard the crew, passengers, and even people on the ground from radiation exposure in case of an accident. It would inevitably add an immense amount of weight and complexity to an already demanding project. Interestingly, people did attempt to construct gigantic airplanes in the past. They were known as the B-36 Peacemakers. These beasts were absolutely colossal, boasting wingspan wider than a football field. Powered by an astounding 8 pusher engines, imagine having 8 car engines strapped to a single plane. These aircraft could remain airborne for days. Now, picture the maintenance nightmare this presented. Keeping those 8 engines in top condition would require a dedicated team of mechanics working around the clock. Despite their impressive endurance, the B-36 couldn't achieve high speeds. By the time these giants were in operation, jet engines emerged, capable of providing speed and efficiency, rendering the B-36 somewhat obsolete. So while nuclear-powered airplanes might remain grounded for now, the future of flight is still as vibrant as a sparkling disco ball. Constant advancements are being made in the realm of cleaner and more efficient aviation technologies. Imagine electric airplanes zipping through the sky without a drop of traditional jet fuel. Now, here's where it gets really cool. Electric airplanes aren't just a distant dream, they're already under development and testing. Picture airplanes powered by giant batteries, recharged using clean energy sources like solar or wind power. These planes could be quieter, cleaner, and perhaps pave the way for shorter distance regional flights within countries. Perhaps one day we'll have sleek, ultra-fast airplanes capable of whisking us across the globe in no time, all while being environmentally friendly. The future of flight holds an abundance of possibilities, and who knows what incredible flying machines we might witness soaring majestically through the skies one day. Thanks a bunch for joining me on this extraordinary adventure. If you enjoyed it, make sure to show your love by liking and subscribing for more captivating explorations into the fascinating world of aviation.